Hi, I'm Jay Thomas, and welcome to this special edition of Hot Rod Hangout, coming to you from the 60th annual Draggins Rod and Custom Car Show at Prairie Land Park in Saskatoon. Rod, this is exciting. We're here.
It's tiring, but it's really exciting.
It is, it is.
Glad to be here.
Oh man, we got so much to show you today. This is a great, phenomenal show. It's on now till 9 o'clock tonight.
Yep.
And we're back again tomorrow.
9 till 9 tomorrow.
9 till 9 tomorrow. So lots of time to get down here and see what Rod's got going on here, as well as all the other cool things in the Draggins Rod and Custom Car Show. All the cars on display, the other vendors, everybody's here.
Lots of new stuff.
Yeah,
it's a great show.
So many first-time displays for this show as well. So without further ado, let's take a quick peek at what's going on with Rod's booth, because there's a lot of exciting stuff here. So Rod, you have the biggest booth in the whole show.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it is.
It's the truth.
Yeah.
And we start right here with a bunch of cool stuff. You got clothing. So Rod's swag is here. We'll get through some of this here in a second here.
Let's go check out the pinstripers.
Yeah, let's start with that.
It's kind of a cool thing.
So we'll talk about the Mercury here in a second. We'll feature this in a video as well. You've been doing some demos of this
Yeah, all day.
all day, right?
Yeah, well, about twice an hour, we'll do a full demo of it. It's kind of cool.
Awesome.
Here's
So
the
what
guys
we
doing
got
the
here
pinstriping
is
here.
Pinstriping for charity, right?
Yeah. Too tall. Of course.
How's it going?
Loving the show. It's great to be out.
What are you working on here?
Just some panels Rod got together for us. So
Awesome.
Yeah.
It'll be auctioned off later for charity.
Cool.
Little seasick.
Dan. Awesome. Hey, how are you? That looks phenomenal. Very cool.
Kindly.
Corbin Customs. Look at this. This looks pretty bitchin'.
Ever. That is sweet. It's going to look something perfect on somebody's garage wall celebrating the 60th annual here. Very cool. Now, you guys are also doing, pinstriping like this. But we got a little red fridge back there.
Yeah, that'll be all covered, and we got a little door, and
So take a look over
yeah,
there.
let's go in the booth here.
Yeah.
Inside.
So look at this really cool RCA retro red fridge. So all
There's a handle to go on and stuff.
You're right. Yeah, there's a big handle. It's chrome. So all of your guys here.
We want to do a big collage of different things on the fridge.
Yep.
So we have a bit of different creations and different talents working on at the
Styles
same
and
time.
everything.
Styles. Got a door. That was done by Preferred Collision in Saskatoon. That's who painted it for us.
Well, thanks, Doug and Preferred, for doing that for us. Wow.
We also have a little mini toolbox down here. We've got we've got a couple toilet seats of all things. Too Tall said that they're pretty popular. People like to put them up in their man cave. So we'll have a couple of toilet seats to go to.
So there's all kinds of pinstriping happening here today, and it's going on right at the booth here, right in front of us. The guys are working hard at their stuff here. Incredible. And if people are interested in this, how do they get a hold of some of this stuff? Can they come?
It will
enter
be
to win, or what?
it'll be auctioned off at the end of the car show.
Okay.
When they give away all the awards, they'll have like a live auction, and then we're going to auction everything off at that time, and all the proceeds go to Camp Easter Seals.
So if you're thinking, oh, I got to get my hands on this fridge, and by the way, follow Rod on Facebook.
We're actually
have updates with this.
we're actually using it.
It works.
It's all new, but it works. I'm using it.
Perfect. Now, we did a highlight feature video about this, but we gotta mention it again, that it is here for you to see at Draggins Rod.
Well, should I get in quick and I can just work the door once?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Okay.
Okay, let's work the door.
We got a bit of a crowd going on here. See Rod there is keep going in. Here goes.
This is the coolest thing ever.
So it slides all the way out. And then it actually motors outward.
And it keeps on going,
Then
and then the window.
one solid button. That's something. We got enough battery juice to do the back trunk, Rod?
Yep.
There it is. If you haven't seen this yet, you gotta see this in person.
Okay, do the trunk.
Watch this. actually slides back. Isn't that something? It's actually front-wheel drive. Full ride. So not only can you come and see the pinstriping happening, you can come and check out, you know, the big purple machine, Monarch itself.
It's kind of a show all in itself, yeah.
Exactly. Now, you got to look at this, because you've got your jacket on right now. You had a whole bunch of people, look at that awesome design. And people are walking away with this stuff. It's selling really, really well.
It's kind of cool to watch people walking around the show with the jacket on or some swag. It's kind of neat.
Exactly. And you know, we've always talked in our videos, Rod, about how, hey, come down to the showroom and you know, if you want some of the swag, it's there.
Yep.
Well, it's here at the show. So if you're going to come to Draggins,
in full force, we got a bit of everything.
Exactly. So we've got t-shirts out here. You got a new design, right? This one
that's
right here.
That's one of our new designs.
Look at that one.
We got two more on their way. He'll be probably showing up like any second.
Wow.
With a bunch more boxes. Bunch of new fleece.
Everybody loves those.
Bunch of hats and
hats are only $20. Like,
everything. Yeah.
You know, great.
Hoodies.
I mean, engines obviously been rebuilt, so it's moved.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Now, the other thing you brought down here, besides all this awesome swag, is another one that we've featured before. Oh, hey, there you are.
Well, that's the super famous Jay Thomas videos on the giant screen.
Phenomenal. Yeah, so we got all of our videos playing, which is great. This is a 30 what?
34 Ute.
Yeah.
Right from Australia. Built in Kelowna, very talented guy. North Star power, C4 Corvette suspension. Again, only 200 miles on this build. It's a brand new build.
Brand new build. It's amazing. And the interior is gorgeous in it.
Check out the back of the luggage. I love the luggage.
Color. This is neat. So the point of it being a ute is it's sort of a car truck kind of combination.
A factory Ford, they would have hauled their goats and whatever in the back.
There was no tonneau cover.
And this has been shortened by 6 inches too. This would have been 6 inches longer.
Now back here, a bunch of matching luggage.
Well, that's where your filler tube is for your gas tank.
Oh, really?
That's your gas tank, and that's your battery.
That little one over there.
Yep.
Look at it, well, it's finished.
And this top is power too.
Just gorgeous. Yeah, it is. It does power lift. That is so cool. So, there's a couple of cool rides from Rods here to come check out in person. Check out the swag, and then come by and see all the.
Come say hi. Awesome show.
Yeah, it's great. That's great. And Rod, you're going to have updates coming for us as they come, you know.
And also, our main shop's open today and tomorrow too.
So if there's something you have seen on our channel before,
or if you're from out of town, go check it out.
Exactly. Awesome. Well, thanks for the update, Rod. And hey, if you're watching this, make sure you come down to the 60th annual Rod and Custom Car Show. Come see Rod's Hot Rods in the booth here and see everything this show has to offer.